Welcome back guys. In this video, I will tell you about NEST exam 2021. So let's begin. So basically NEST exam is the exam for the admission into the two colleges NISCR and CEBS Mumbai. So these two colleges offer 5-year MSc program in PCMB. So NISCR is located in Bhubaneswar and CEBS is located in Mumbai. So let's know about the exam. So first thing is that this exam will be conducted in the online mode like JEE. Second thing is that the students who get admission in these colleges get annual scholarship of rupees 60,000 through Disha program, and also they get summer internship grant of rupees 20,000 and many other benefits you can see here. Also, top performers from these colleges get the direct chance to appear in an interview for the bar training school, which is a great thing. So let's see the eligibility criteria for getting into these colleges. So first thing is that you must be in the merit list of NEST. So I will be covering this topic in the next video, that how a student will be in the merit list. Second criteria is that the student must secure at least 60% in class 12 board exams. And for SC, ST and Divyangjan quota, the requirement is 55%. The third criteria is on the age, that the student must born on or after August 1, 2001. For SC, ST or Divyangjan students, the limit is relaxed by 5 years. So they must be born after August 1, 1996. So let's see percentage reservation of seats in these colleges. So for the OBC NCL students, there is 27% of seats reserved. And for general EWS students, the reservation is only in the CEBS Mumbai College, not in the NISCR college. For SC, 15% of seats are reserved, and for ST, the percentage is 7.5. Also, 5% of seats are reserved in every category for Divyangjan students. Divyangjan word is similar to PWD word which we use in the counseling of JEE. So there is 5% reservation for physically disabled students. So this exam will held on 14th June 2021, which is a Monday. So it will be held in 2 shifts, and the exam time is of 3 hours 30 minutes. So first shift is from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and second is from 2:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. And the results will be available on June 30, whether the students are in the merit list or not. So here you can see the examination centers where you can give your NEST exam. So you can refer it. I will be uploading this PDF in the description. So for applying for this exam, you can visit nestexam.in website. Here you can see the direct link. So registration is already started, and the last date for the registration is April 30, 2021. So the registration fee for general and OBC students is 1200, and for SC, ST or Divyangjan students, it's 600. So after registration, your admit card will be released on May 20, so you can know about your center and the shift you got. So these are the important dates. So once again, the last date for registration is April 30, 2021. Admit card will be released on May 20, and exam will be held on June 14, and you will get your results on June 30. So you can see here the seat metrics of NISCR and CEBS respectively. So the total intake is 257 combining both colleges. Also, there are 2 supernumerary seats reserved in both the colleges for the students belonging to Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the part 1 of the video. In this video, I have covered about the NEST exam and various important dates and seat metrics related to it. So in the next video, I will be covering about the question type in the exam and how a student get into merit list of NEST. So please subscribe and get notified about it. Bye.